Have you ever finished writing and then you felt, this writing is not good enough? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit your writing like a pro, using self-editing tips anyone can use even as a beginner. Welcome back to this writing course. If you are new here, this course is designed to help you grow from a beginner to a confident and clear writer. By the end of this video, you will learn when to edit your writing, what to look out for while editing your writing, and then how do you edit your writing and how to edit your writing without losing your voice. Now, the first tip is that never edit immediately after writing. Never edit immediately after writing. And one of the mistakes we writers make is to edit while writing. Editing and writing are two different things. So after writing, you take a break, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, then come back with fresh eyes. Your brain has been refreshed, relaxed, you are relaxed already. So you step away for a while, you take a break, and then come back with fresh eyes, even if it's 30 minutes. Because the distance helps you see clearly. Yes, the distance helps you to see clearly. Now, the second tip is to edit for clarity. Edit for clarity of your message before editing for grammar. One of the mistakes we writers make is to just go straight into editing for grammar. That is editing the grammar aspect. But then check. The first thing is to check if your message is being passed across. Will your reader understand this message without another person explaining it to him or her? Is your message clear enough? Is it clear enough? Are you going straight to the point? These are the things you should check first while editing. Now, the first step into editing is to edit first for clarity, not editing for grammar. You have to edit for clarity first. You have to check, am I going straight to the point? Is this my message clear enough? Will my audience, will the reader understand it without another person explaining? You have to check out these things. If there are errors, if you're not going straight to the point, if there are some diversions, you have to edit these things first. You have to take them out. Check, ensure you are clear enough. And one thing is that if a sentence is confusing you, it will confuse your reader. If the sentence is confusing you, sure, definitely it will confuse your reader. So you probably adjust the sentence, or you delete the sentence or probably paraphrase the sentence, because if the sentence is not clear enough to you, it won't be clear enough to your audience. If you're not understanding the sentence, your audience will understand it. If the sentence is confusing you, then it will confuse your reader too. So you have to edit those things first. Edit for clarity first. So you have to edit for clarity first. You see, good writing is simple, it's not complicated. So you have to remove those words that don't add meaning. Those words that doesn't add meaning, you remove them. Remove repeated ideas. You have to remove repeated ideas. You remove words that doesn't add meaning. Then sentences that you can split them. Remember, good writing is not complicated, it's not complex, it's simple. It passes its message across. That tip that will help you while editing is reading out aloud. Because reading out aloud, your ear will capture things that your eyes missed. So reading out aloud will help you notice words that are missing. Reading out aloud will help you to hear awkward sentences. Because looking at it, your mind might feel it's okay. Yeah, it's okay because you are the writer, right? But then when you read it out aloud, you capture awkward sentences, and again you are able to hear what your eyes missed. So after ensuring that your message is being passed across clearly, that your message is clear enough, your reader will understand it without explanation, that the message is clear enough, no complexity, no confusion. The next thing is to check out for sentence flow and structure. You have to check out for your sentence flow and structure. You have to ensure that your message is being passed naturally, that there's a natural flow of idea. Your writing should flow smoothly. Now you have to mix short sentences with medium sentences and long sentences. You don't have to make your writing so full of complex sentences, or you should make it full of simple sentences or just medium sentences. You have to mix them. Mix long sentences with short sentences, simple sentences with compound sentences, with complex sentences. You mix it. When it's too complex, the reader will get tired. When it's too simple, it's too abrupt and too straightforward. So you have to mix them, because the mixing of simple sentences with medium and then long sentences makes it balanced, and then balance is key. Now the last thing you are doing is to fix your grammar and punctuation. Yes, you are fixing your grammar and punctuation last. You can check the spelling, the grammar and punctuation. You have to ensure that the spellings are correct. If you are writing and you're going for British spellings, you have to ensure that you are using British spelling from the beginning of your writing to the end of your writing. If you are using American spelling, you have to use it from the beginning of your writing to the very end of your writing. So you have to you have to look out for spelling errors and correct all spelling errors, and also your grammar. Past tense where you also use past tense, present tense where you're supposed to use present tense. You have to look out for grammar. Your grammar, you have to correct your grammar. And then punctuation, very, very important. Your punctuation can change the meaning of words. Your wrong use of punctuation can change the meaning. It can change your intended meaning. So it is very important, as in very, very, very important, that you correct and use punctuation marks appropriately, because the wrong use of punctuation can change the meaning of a word. For instance, let it, comma, mother, and then let it mother. You see, you are saying let it mother, as in mother let it, and then you are saying let us eat mother. You see that the use of punctuation can change the meaning of the writer. The wrong use of punctuation can change your intended meaning. That's why you have to ensure that while you're editing, your spellings are correct, your grammar, you edit for grammar also, and very, very important, your punctuation. Don't overlook it. Don't say they would understand, they should understand. Use comma when you're supposed to use your comma. Use apostrophe when you're supposed to. Use your full stop when you're supposed to. Your hyphen, your semicolon, your colon. Use them when you're supposed to. To help your editing faster, there are tools you can use. You can use Grammarly. This is not an advert, but then you can use Grammarly. There are some apps that can help you edit, but then don't rely on them, because yes, they might be mistakes and they might be errors and all of that. Tools that exist, they can assist you, but then it's for you to decide. They can assist you. Emphasis on assist. It's meant for you to decide. They can assist you, but then it's meant for you to decide. Important thing, a very, very important thing, is to protect your voice while editing. You are editing to sound more like yourself, clearly. Emphasis on clearly, not to sound more like somebody else. So you are editing to sound more like yourself, clearly, not sounding like somebody else. So while you are editing, don't remove your personality, don't remove your tone, don't remove your natural expressions. Remember, don't remove your personality, don't remove your tone, don't remove your natural expressions, because there's a way I talk, for instance, and there's a way I write. So there are some words that I will always use when I write. So when you are editing, when I'm editing, I won't remove those words because they make it sound like me. So somebody that is used to reading something I write, once they see something that is written by me, they will know that yes, this thing is written by me. But when I remove those things while editing, it will sound more like somebody else. That's why it's important that while you're editing, you don't have to remove those expressions that are peculiar to you. The way you write, you don't have to remove them. You don't have to remove your tone. It's to make you're editing to make it sound more like you, not to sound more like somebody else. So while you're editing, ensure you retain your tone, your personality, and your natural expressions. So you are editing to improve. You are not editing to erase yourself. You are not editing to remove yourself. You are editing to improve, not to remove yourself. So another tip while editing is to edit with your reader in mind. You have to, while editing, while writing, so you have to have this in mind, and also while editing, who are those people that will be reading this thing? Who are those people that will be reading this writing? Who are they? What will they learn from it? Will they understand it? What message am I trying to pass? How will they feel when they read this? Edit with your reader in mind. While editing, don't exclude your reader. While editing, have them in mind, because they will help your decision making. They will help how you edit. Having them in mind will help the way you edit. Have them in mind. Put them in mind. Include them in your decisions. You have to have them in mind, because when you write with your reader in mind, the writing becomes meaningful. That's when your writing becomes meaningful. That's when the editing and the whole work you put into it becomes meaningful. So while editing, have your reader in mind. Who are those people reading this? What will they learn? How will it help them? Have them in mind. Let me remind you of something. Your first draft is not failure, it's your starting point. Your first draft is not failure. It looks messy, but it's not a failed project. It's just your starting point. Editing is what makes your writing strong, confident, and professional. So if this video helped you, please remember to like this video, comment. Editing is part of my growth, and also please subscribe so you won't miss the next lesson. Remember to write boldly, edit wisely, and keep